Hi guys, welcome back to the Game of Trading channel. Exclusive candlestick series. This is Bhargav. Here I'm back with another vital trend changing candlestick, which is an inverted hammer. A tiny note for beginners: must start to learn candlesticks before they start trading platform. Patterns are very important for beginners traders. Start to learn, then earn. As a trader gains experience, he can tweak and create his own trading strategy. This takes time and effort. In the beginning, concentrate on learning and observing the charts. Let's come into the context guide to understand the inverted hammer candlestick pattern. I will show you what this chart looks like, will explain you its components, teach you how to recognize it with an example and how to trade on it. What is the inverted hammer candlestick? The inverted hammer candlestick formation occurs mainly at the bottom of downtrends and can act as a warning of a potential bullish reversal pattern. What happened on the next day after the inverted hammer pattern is what gives traders an idea as to whether or not prices will go higher or lower. What does the inverted hammer look like? The inverted hammer formation is created when the open, low and close are roughly the same price. Also, there is a long upper shadow which should be at least twice the length of the real body. Is an inverted hammer candlestick bullish or bearish? After a long downtrend, the formation of an inverted hammer is bullish because prices hesitated to move downwards during the day. Sellers pushed prices back to where they were at the open, but increasing prices shown that bulls are testing the powers of the bears. Green versus red inverted hammer. When the low and the open are the same, a bullish green inverted hammer candlestick is formed and it is considered a stronger bullish sign than when the low and the close are the same, a red inverted hammer. What does inverted candlestick hammer means? An inverted hammer is a single candle which appears when a stock is in a downtrend. It's an important candle because it can potentially reverse the entire trend from downtrend to uptrend. That is why it is called bullish reversal candlestick pattern on the chart. Since the candle looks like a hammer turned upside down, it's called an inverted hammer. How an inverted hammer candlestick formation? The inverted hammer gets formed when the price opens at a critical level and then goes much higher. The price hits a high and then it falls drastically to close near its opening. The color of the candle does not matter. It could be either red or a green. It will be a red candle if the closing price is lower than the opening price. It will be a green candle if the closing price is higher than the opening price. Both are called inverted hammer. Inverted hammer trading strategy. Observe the chart below and notice how the price of the company called United Spirits had been fallen continuously for several days. This happened in March 2020. Now focus on bottom candle, which is an inverted hammer. After a big fall on the day, the stock opens below, rises high and then closes slightly above the opening price. This creates the inverted hammer. This is the first signal that the stock has fallen enough and it could now rise upwards. Traders would now wait for the next candle. If that is green, the stock should be bought when the price goes above the high of the inverted hammer. The stop loss would be the low of the inverted hammer candle. Let me repeat. Once the inverted hammer candle is formed on the chart, the trader waits for the next candle. If the next candle is red and the price falls below the inverted hammer, the pattern has failed. No traders should be taken. If the next candle is green and the price goes higher, the trader waits till the price goes above the high of the inverted hammer. The stock is brought a strict. This confirms that the buyers are in control and the price could go higher. The stock is brought a strict stop loss is set at the bottom price of the inverted hammer, clearly illustrated in the above image. Do note, a stop loss is very important and absolute must for every trade you take. If the price goes below the inverted hammer candle, it means the reason we took the trade has failed. The loss has to be taken. This is part of the discipline, which is arguably the most important aspect of becoming a successful trader. Always take small trades in the beginning. Learn to take profits, learn to take losses. Your mind will slowly get conditioned to accept both the positives as well as negatives. Remember, not every trader can be successful. Even the best of trades only get 6-7 out of 10 trades, right? And we talking about the best trades here. New traders have much lower success rates. Does the inverted hammer for long-term investors? Long-term investors can look for trend reversal, candlestick patterns to buy quality stocks close to the bottom. On March 23, 2020, when the Indian stock market hit a low after crashing for many days due to COVID-19, many stocks formed inverted hammer and hammer on the chart. If the market is witnessing a significant fall, even long-term investors who are waiting for the bottom of quality stocks can take positions with such trend reversal candles are formed on the chart. They could start with a position and buy more once the stock begins to rise. There is a saying in the market, never catch a falling knife. When the market is falling and stocks are crashing every day, like it happened in March 2020, a good strategy is to wait till market stabilizes. Let the market complete the correction and show signs that it is about to rise. You might have to buy 10 to 15% higher than the bottom, but in most cases, your average price will be lower than the average down from the beginning of the correction. Here I am presenting you guys for few backtested indexes on Bank Nifty and Nifty 50 with the time frames of 5 minutes and 15 minutes with the inverted hammer. spot the inverted hammer candlestick pattern quickly and win the reversal trade easily. Use that information to make profitable trading decisions. My next video is about shooting star candlestick. Hope you all like this video. If you are a new viewer, kindly do like and subscribe. If you have already subscribed to my channel, do like and share. If you have any questions related to the inverted hammer, you can ask in the comment section below. Thank you.